here this morning to raise funds for our wonderful NHS staff who are helping tirelessly to save lives of the people in the West Belfast community and the surrounding communities. Our friend was narrowly escaped the coronavirus, where she was put into an induced coma for 5 days on a ventilator. She is fit and healthy young woman at 42 years of age with no underlying health conditions, and we just thought, as her best friend and her cousin, we need to help others because this virus can attack anybody. We want to say a special thanks to everyone who has donated and people who has come here today to do the walk with us to help raise these funds. We understand that ventilators are part of people's lives at this present minute in time, and we just want to help you all. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
All right, everybody, you are very welcome here today. I'm Sinead. I'm one of the fitness instructors that's going to help you out on behalf of Jean and Pauline. The reason why we're here today is to help raise funds for ventilators for the NHS. So you are all very, very welcome. I'm just going to run through some health and safety things with you. The route is going to be uneven surfaces. Now, the route is straight up the top pylon, then you're going to take a right and go round the ridgeway. Just want to also thank Pauline and Jean for organising this. They have raised over 7,000, Jean, now so far, which is excellent thing. So, just NHS!
Pajama thing? Yeah. We do that twice. Yeah. Is there a car coming? £90 per goodies. Rack. You get put down, from the bed herself. So, of course, you're on the wall.
The only one ring is for the bell, which is up to